Firstly, Diamantinas and Lemurians are both kinds of laser wands. So this is a regular crystal, and this crystal around the base here and all the way to the termination there is exactly the same circumference. Okay, you can see the way my fingers are here, here, that's the same measurement. And then the crystal terminates over there, right? Okay, but laser wands, these two, are broader at the base and taper to the point. Both of them. You see the difference? Mm-hmm. So, this one's the Diamantina, and it's got a slightly different shape. This one seems flatter, and this one is more round. That's one of the big differences between Diamantinas and Lemurians. This is the Lemurian, this is the Diamantina. And another big difference is it's called a Diamantina because it reminds people of diamonds, because it's got this clear, bright glow, more diamond-like. Whereas the Lemurians, most of them are a little pink, and they stay a little pink. Soft, natural Lemurian pink color. It's really beautiful, actually. Very nice. If you put the two together, you can see they're somewhat different color.
Mm-hmm. They're very different.
Yeah. Yes. And that's a classic Lemurian. This is a classic Diamantina. It gets a little confusing when they shift off their classic shape. Then people have difficulty telling the difference. But always begin by looking at two classics, a classic Lemurian, classic Diamantina, and then you can tell the difference more easily between them. And this is a regular quartz crystal where the base, same circumference all the way until it starts to terminate, and then the termination on top. Here, tapering from a wider base to a very narrow point. I like to build these into a wand like this.
That's beautiful.
Where you've got a Diamantina on the one end and a Lemurian on the other. And they are both very good. These laser wands are really good for opening chakras. But they have a slightly different action. This end of the wand will open the chakra using the tip. This end of the wand, if you use it to open the chakra, will use all of this area.
So
all of this area.
If you were going to make a wand, then would you basically be replicating the same wand points? Like
yes,
this?
Like that. If you were going to make what we call in crystal surgery a basic wand. And that's also how you tell whether they're good to go together, is you check to see what kind of force field you can create between the two. And I would not put these two together in a wand. They're not creating that strong force field that I like to feel, because this has got a wider base than this. They're not a fantastic match. I saw that you have a really good basic wand that make a fantastic match back here. This one with the still bite. And you can see there's a match between the width of this and the width of this. And then you've got this beautiful still bite in the middle. That's fantastic. That's the Diamantina end. This is the Lemurian end of the basic one. And when we use this in crystal surgery, we can pull the white light in through the Lemurian end and funnel it in and really focus it with the Diamantina end. It makes for a fantastic wand. It's very versatile. You can do a lot of different things with it. And most people will equip themselves with two basic wands. And then you work with them together like this. And you can do various operations and skills using two basic wands.
Beautiful.
Yes. And this is a Diamantina and this is a Lemurian. And I can actually pull the light off the tip and pour it into the chakra, just like that. I would not be able to hold 6 stones in my 2 hands. So that's the big advantage of building stones into wands, is that you have a built-in circuit and you can hold many more stones simultaneously and get the effect of a full crystal circuit and a full crystal layout just by working with wands. That's just fabulous, isn't it? Wow, it's really working nicely. I love the way when it's working well, you kind of almost feel addicted to the energy and you want to keep going just to keep feeling it. Absolutely fabulous.
So I understand these points and how strongly these are different, but and I'm wondering, what is this?
What's this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is a Diamantina wand.
So how do you know it's a
Diamantina?
yes?
Well, that's because it's broader here and it's going to taper. This is quite a lot that got broken off. It probably would have been about this long over here, come all this way, and it would have tapered to there. So that is broken off here and broken off there, so that you've got a self-healing section on the top here, and you've got a golden healer section on the bottom here. A beautiful, strong body and more self-healing here as well. Plus it's a little bit curved. If I hold the wand this way, you'll be able to see that's curved. See?
Mm-hmm. And how do you know it's golden?
The golden, because of the yellow color there. That's what makes it a golden healer. That's not citrine or anything else. That's a yellow color that gets into the crystal, and they're not actually sure exactly what's causing it. It's got a few more yellow spots there, but you see a little bit of that kind of yellow. That makes it a golden healer on top of everything else, which gives it strong healer properties.
And how do you know it's a self-healed crystal?
Because where it's broken, there are little points growing here where it broke. So it broke, and then little new terminations started to form, and that's what makes a self-healed crystal. With its self-healed end, it's an absolutely fantastic tool for going over someone at the end of a session and bringing in the golden healer energy plus the self-healed energy, and really bringing in white light and reminding the energy about healing and self-healing. Because as healers, it's very, very important to understand that all healing is self-healing. And what we do when we're energy healers, we're looking to see what has blocked the self-healing mechanism. And we're trying to get the self-healing mechanism switched back on again. So using a wand that is a self-healed end like this on the energy field at the end of a healing session is an absolutely fantastic thing to do.